therapeutic aspect of gardening and other benefits really was good today.
Hey guys, this is another day in the garden. Um, the weather has been continued to be very unstable. However, I've decided to sow some seed directly in the soil today. In the previous clip, I showed how uh, I have been preparing the garden and I've had the help of and the support from a friend as well. So probably you must have seen those clips already. But today we're going to be sowing some things directly on the soil. So I'm going to be looking at the instruction in the packaging. So whichever one I can sow directly in the soil from April, I'm going to sow them directly. The other ones, I'm going to be sowing them in the propagator. So that's the propagator. Um, this propagator come with a heat mat, so I'm going to be able to keep them warm and alive indoors. Then the things I'm going to be, this is my big, I don't know what to call it. It's a gift from a very special person. So yeah, so that's where I packed all my seeds and some of my gardening tools. So I'm going to be using the dibber today. I'll use this big one for the big um, bulbs like onions. So we also have some potatoes here. This is actually the purple potato. I really like this particular potato. I like them in salads. So we're going to be sowing them today. You can see they've sprouted already. Then these other tiny tools or small tools that came with the propagator, I'll be using them to make the holes for the seeds. So, and I've got my labels here. So yeah, let's I'll just show you. I'm going to show you guys the garden, the prep I've done so far, and I'm going to be doing a few more additional digging today before I sow. And finally, we're going to be using our compost that have we have prepared that has been resting throughout the autumn and winter months. So yeah, today is an exciting day. I'm actually very excited about the outcome of today. All the tools we will need for today's job. Yeah, just going to concentrate on this part for now. Hey guys, I've been working for about 3 to 4 hours now. So I'm now going to have a well-deserved fruit break. Just going to sit down and have a couple of fruits before I continue with the rest of today's job. Who else like eating their kiwi fruit like this? It's actually very juicy. Mm, and it tastes nice as well. Just the way I like my kiwi fruit. Right. I've planted 2 rows of potatoes. Now I'm going to plant the red onions uh, because they've already started sprouting. How many do we have here? 50 onions. I'm not sure if I have enough room to plant all of them. So then I'm just going to do whatever I can. I'm just going to plant them on this bed here. Right. Let's do this quickly.
Hey guys, I'm going indoors now. I've actually enjoyed my time in the garden. The last job I'm going to do today is to water the plants, the crops that I've planted, sowed on directly into the ground in the garden. Then I head indoors and have my dinner. So if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and leave your comments and tell us, share with us what you're doing, what you're enjoying doing in the garden right now. I'm actually enjoyed my day today. The weather was good and I achieved quite a lot. The therapeutic aspect of gardening and other benefits really was good today. So on that note, I will say bye everyone. I'll see you all in my next video.